Yabona leqembu leli sililandela ngoba silithanda. Singa brainwashwanga i-white media. Si understanda kahle ukuthi i-partnership yamaGupta noZuma through ama-Ageta contracts kwakungani nokuthi why ama-Guptas they were vilified and they were declared the enemy of the state by white monopoly capital, simply because bathinta 5% yomnotho bayisa towards the Indian and the black community. Leqembu leli lalo baba esimthanda kanje esimlandela with a clear political conscience in terms of economic redresses towards the marginalized and the economically segregated, the impoverished. Lele silande nizolmosha leqembu leli, nizolmosha. Yekelani lento ye-Bruce Cup ngalento ebizwa nge-MK. Nilokho nifaka abantu who are incapacitated politically and who don't even understand what political ideology do they affiliate to. Sivuke ekuseni lana siyahlazwa uClement lana u-interview Secretary General. U-Secretary General who does not even understand what is a dialectic in politics. Uyabuzwa ukuthi uJacob Zuma ngakwazi ukuba kuqembu le-ANC kodwa phinde it's a simple political narrative. It's a Hegelian philosophy which was adopted by the Russian lento eyenziwe uJacob Zuma. It's called a dialectic in politics. A person who does not even know the ABC of politics niyamthatha nimenza uSecretary General. Bese maniqeda nithatha uFloyd Shivambu nimenza national organizer. Yini into eyenza ukuthi uFloyd angamaneke a-occupy lesasihlalo saka Secretary General, because clearly ngathi we are surrounded by people lana abazothenga ama position nabantu who are going to aspire to position without even the political philosophy and inclination or even political connotation of thought ukuthi bakwazi ukusirepresenta at high levels. And then by complain amabe recallwa eParliament, you know, naye lo Secretary General mangathi uya recallwa kusasa uzofuna ukuvula ama court case la, you can't even answer the simplest ABC political questions. Nizolibulala leqembu leli ngalento yokulo khona niphushana ngalobu comrade omngena ngqondo. Le 14% le esetshenzelwe kangaka ukuthi bekhona, you are going to destroy this organization. Lento yokuphushana kwenu ngamagama wenu nangokusuka ku-ANC nize la ku-MK, you are going to destroy the political relevance and the political image of this organization. Asixakekanga ukuthi why silandela umsholozi, simlandele because siyambona ukuthi he is one political figure who has the power to create through policies and through framework and also through leadership. He is able to correct and formulate redresses when it comes to socio-economic politics and also when it comes to land redistribution. Simbonile ekama universities ayi-3 la eSouth Africa. Kungena president before yena eyawakha lawo ma universities. Simbonile faka uBrian Molefe stabilizing i-load shedding and umuntu omnyama ekwazi ukukhanyiselwa pheke nezingane zikwazi ukufunda ziphase ngama prelim nama final exam. Le eseniyenza yokuphusha iBruce Cup lapha leyo phela la asikho politically brainwashed la, asikho sesontweni lika Bushiri la. Le ngathi niyayenza ayikho right. Lo Secretary General ongakwazi ukuphendula imibuzo on national television, ufike kanjani ku national television ongakwazi ukunderstanda ukuthi uZuma uma ethi I'm still ANC but I'll vote for MK ebesenza into ebizwa ngokupolitiki i-dialectic, and it doesn't even understand dialectic, but you put him there to be interviewed by a news anchor in the form or in the caliber of reporting as Clement Manyathela. Face the nation, and the nation is facing a Secretary General who can answer ABC political questions. ngathi nizosidina nina ngathi nizosidina